Want to learn how to use Asana to monitor employees effectively? You're in the right place. Asana isn't just for organizing tasks, it's a powerful tool to keep track of your team's progress and performance in a streamlined way. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the full breakdown of how to maximize Asana to monitor your employees and boost productivity. Plus, we have an exclusive bonus for you to try Asana for free. Don't miss out. First things first, Asana makes it easy to track your team's tasks and progress by assigning specific deadlines and priorities. You can create projects for each department, client, or initiative, and within those projects, add tasks and subtasks. Assign those tasks to the right people, set due dates, and add important details. This lets you immediately see who's doing what and when it's due. Next thing, you'll want to use the My Tasks feature. This allows every team member to see all the tasks assigned to them in one place. It keeps them focused on what's coming next and prevents you from having to manually check in. You'll be able to quickly review how your employees are pacing with their workload, and if they need support, you can easily step in. The third thing, custom fields are a game changer. You can create custom fields to track task progress, such as not started, in progress, and completed, or even add metrics that are specific to your workflow. By doing this, you can see exactly where each project stands at a glance without needing to ask anyone for updates. It also allows you to see bottlenecks and make adjustments accordingly. The fourth thing to know is that Asana integrates seamlessly with other tools. You can link it with communication tools like Slack, file storage systems like Google Drive, and more. This integration ensures that everything is in one place, allowing you to monitor employee progress without juggling multiple apps. You'll be able to get updates on tasks, deadlines, and files all in one central hub. Asana also offers robust reporting tools. You can generate reports that give you insight into the team's performance. These reports include task completion rates, overdue tasks, and even the amount of time being spent on specific projects. This lets you monitor how efficient your team is and where they might need assistance or additional resources. Lastly, don't forget about Asana's workload management feature. This is great for monitoring employee capacity. You can track each team member's workload, making sure no one is overburdened or underutilized. It's an excellent way to balance the team's responsibilities and ensure productivity remains high across the board. Asana is designed to give you an overview of your team's activities without micromanaging. It helps you stay informed, ensure deadlines are being met, and keep projects on track, all while giving your employees the autonomy they need to thrive. To get started, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for an exclusive, extended free trial of Asana. With our bonuses, you can dive into these features without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.